I was coming up the A24 towards Dorking, and I get to this roundabout up here, and I notice there's a car almost wrapped around a lamppost, as you can see on the left up here, and the lady in front was just getting out of her car, so I thought something had just happened and that he's still sitting in the car hurt. So I pull up, get out, rush over, and he was just getting out with his dog. He was fine. The car still started up, so I cut the bit out while we was there. I think I was talking to him and the lady for about 15 minutes. I got the car out, parked it up behind my truck, and he insisted to see if the car was still drivable, so I drove round the big roundabout to come round to block the road so he can turn around. Now his door was pretty badly caved in, he broke the glass, so he's got no window, it was pissing down with rain. And yeah, I said to him I'll stick behind him for a bit, driving up the A24, just to make sure that, you know, that the car handles okay. But a bit further down the road I got a thumbs up from him, so I take it he's on his way home now, and hopefully get back. And if it pisses down with rain, he's going to get really badly wet. At least he weren't seriously injured.